Yeah, there's a lot to see here birds-wise in Grand Rapids. Hang out by the river, go to one of the parks, just sit and chill. You'll find all sorts of critters. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. To further my series on fun things to do in Grand Rapids, I'm downtown and I'm actually bird watching today. I'm going to show you a couple different birds here and the fact it's actually quite possible to be bird watching here in downtown Grand Rapids. Today's video is sponsored by Canadian Lawn Munching Service, featuring Goose and his crew. For a good clean lawn, call Goose, Canadian Lawn Munching Service. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You're not going to see much of this guy, but right here towards the center is a blue heron. I'm going to switch cameras and start doing some video with a bigger lens. Okay, you can see it right there a little bit better with this camera. Sorry about the shaky footage. I am hand holding a 300mm lens, so it's not the world's easiest. And then of course we got some ducks over here. Just walking down here so I could get by the river, so I could get a little closer to some seagulls I saw in the river. I come across Mr. Mallard right here. He's just sitting here chilling, letting me take a photo. So there's an awful lot you can see here as far as birds here in Grand Rapids. I'm just walking by the river. I'm at Anabawan Park. I've seen a blue heron, seagulls, geese, mallard ducks. Sorry about trailing off the duck there. I was kind of looking off into the water. I saw an eagle earlier today flying with a fish in its talons. I wish I could have got the camera out in time, but even if I did, it was pretty high up and all I had on at the time was a wide angle. But there's a lot you can see here in Grand Rapids. You just got to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here's a couple mallards right now, just chilling in the river. So there's a lot to see just in bird watching alone here in Grand Rapids. I know it's a little bit of a short video today, but just wanted to prove there's a lot you can do here downtown, even bird watching. So if you've liked this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for future episodes, and please share this video for others to enjoy, and have a great day.